What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm reporting to you from the city of Corona because we are doing a home haunt called Corona Haunt. It's good to be able to go through a walkthrough event this year, and I'm excited. These home haunts have been coming in clutch, so kudos to them for being able to still make it happen. Right there, this blue house is where this haunt is, and I can already hear like creepy music. I think it's The Shining playing, and I like that. That's good. So they change up the story every year, and this year it's based off of Shadow Mountain, and I think I'm just going to read it from the website so I don't butcher the backstory. Discovered in the early 1900s, Shadow Trail was home to wildlife and beautiful scenery. After a freak accident in 1940 leaving hundreds of gold miners dead, the trail has been permanently closed. Legend has it the missing miners who did not make it out are now permanent residents of Shadow Trail. Shadow Mountain is the home of hundreds of mine shafts. These mine shafts travel through our mountain, and some even take you under the mountain. Due to the freak accident in 1940, our mine shafts are closed indefinitely. Ooh, that sounds freaky. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Let's go check out what Corona Haunt has to offer. So you guys can't hear it right now because the microphone is pointing towards me, but they are playing music from The Shining, and you guys know me. I love The Shining. So I already am enjoying the ambiance. I wish I could let you guys listen, but copyright music.
Hi everyone, my name is Mason from Corona Haunt. Behind me, as you can see, is Shadow Mountain, our new original maze for 2020. We're operating October 22nd through the 25th and October 29th through the 31st. Times do vary, so check our website for more information.
You guys will be in contact with fog, strobe effects, typical haunted house stuff, but still, just so you guys know. Wow, okay, so let's just talk about how incredible that was. That was great. That genuinely reminded me of like a Not Scary Farm Halloween Horror Nights maze. Like, that was awesome. So a couple things. We were talking to the owner and he was saying how the makeup effects were actually custom made for this haunt, and they were brought in, I think yesterday he said, so they were really hoping that it worked. And I think the makeup looked great, the sets were great, and the scares were really well timed. And it reminded me of Halloween Horror Nights. You know how Halloween Horror Nights does like the strobe effect and the lights flash on you whenever a scare actor comes out? It was just like that. I recognized a lot of the sounds they used in the monster noises, and one of them was a clicker from The Last of Us, and it worked so well here. So well. And he was saying, like, if you guys are video game nerds out there, he took a lot of inspiration from like Dead Space Necromorphs and The Last of Us and kind of melded it in to give a look for these miners, and I thought it was wonderful. So I highly recommend you guys check out this haunt. It's free, and you can't beat free. And for a free home haunt, this was incredible. There's a lot of love and a lot of passion behind it, so go check this one out. I wish I could keep going through it, but our time is up. So if you guys are interested in this haunt, I'll go ahead and link the website down below. I do believe that all online reservations are booked, but you can still come here and get a virtual code and then wait in your car, but there's no standby line because of COVID. So definitely come. This should be on your guys' radar. This is amazing. I will definitely be back next year because I can't wait to see what they do, because they switch it up every year. I think that's great. So thanks again, guys, for watching this channel. Please subscribe if you guys haven't. I post a video every Tuesday. A like is always appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!